very much. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Oh, hi.
I hope you don't mind, but I got Bob a little something for Christmas.
Oh, look at that, Bob. You want a bit of that?
And I made him a little something.
Oh, you shouldn't have. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that, eh?
I think he likes it.
Thank you so much. You're an angel.
Oh, I wouldn't go that far. I wasn't always a little old lady.
Thank you. Look at that, Bob. I'm gonna have that later. Hi, Betty.
Oh, look at Bob. Doctor Who's twin. Love the scarf.
Yeah, just got it.
You all right? You look tired.
I've been busy. Or rather, he has. I've been demoted to sidekick.